This is a detailed review of each Livayo feature. We're in the Analyze the Outcome screen, and we're looking at the Microboard. So again, this is the Analyze the Outcome screen. And right here in the middle, you have the Microboard right here. So what this shows is every single day in the month, and it shows you the score for each driver in this case every day. So for example, the optimum score is 4.0. So you can see on this day, every task was performed on that day for the money driver. Then if you can look at the same thing and analyze the sub-drivers. You can look at every single job and how each job performed on every day. And then you can look at, and this is why we call it the Microboard, you can look at every single task for every single person for every single day, and you can see what tasks were done, what tasks were not done, and which tasks were not accounted for across the entire business. So this is the performance of all the tasks necessary to run the entire business across everyone, across every task, across every single day. There's the money tasks, the money drivers. Here are the management tasks. You can see, these obviously are tasks that are done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These are the tasks that are done every single day. Here's a task that's done once a month, and that task was missed that month. So then, when you go back and look at the performance of the business and you want to know what's going on, you literally can see what happens every single day. You can see what tasks were done and which were not done. I want to take on this idea right here about this idea of the micro nature of Livayo. So my experience with folks in small business is they're very serious about their business. When you're an executive in a large company, there is a lot of slack between the large office on the 10th floor and performance every day. There's a lot of slack. There's a lot of gap between what happens in the detail and the effect it has on the high-level executive. But in the small business, what happens in the detail every day can affect the small business owner that very day and can affect their income that very week. So I meet a lot of small business owners who are very serious. They're very serious about the detail of their business. They don't want to be micromanagers. I totally agree. But they want the effects of micromanagement. And that is what Livayo does, as you can see. So the Microboard is there to say, here's everything that's going on across everyone. And you can see it. It's visual. You can look at it at the end of every single day. It's easy to follow up on. So again, the Microboard, the cool thing about the Microboard is how you can kind of roll up and see at various levels, and of course the overall drivers. So anyway, that's kind of, and this of course is another scoring system. We have a way of showing how many hours, how many tasks by score and things. But the point is, and I get a little bit enthusiastic about this. This is one of my favorite parts, is because you can see your business. It's completely visible. Anyway, that's the Microboard.